Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. If you don't know me, my name is Niketis. I'm the founder of an AI chatbot agency called Advertiser Media. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I get my potential clients by doing outreach with the help of Phantombuster. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So first thing what I do in order to get my clients is I'll usually go to a new tab in my Microsoft Edge or my Chrome browser and I'll search for Google Maps. Once that is done, I'll go to my Google Maps. So right now I'll be showing you just a simple version of how to get clients. So in this case, I'm gonna target a medical spa near Detroit. There we go. And I'll just search for it. So there we go. We have a bunch of lists of a medical spa in Detroit. So I'll keep on scrolling down and try to find as much medical spa as possible. So we need to create that whole list so we can input all these lists in our Phantombuster. So I'll just keep on scrolling down. So it's gonna take like 15 to 30 seconds to reach to the end. We have reached the end of the list. So once you are down here, now all you gotta do is copy this link. But before copying this link, we're gonna head over to our Phantombuster and we're gonna create a brand new account for our Phantombuster. So you can check my video description. You will get the link of this Phantombuster. So all you gotta do here is just click on this start free trial. And once you are here, just provide the email address. So in this case, I'm going to provide my email address. I'll put in the tab. Here we go. And now all you gotta do is just click on start reporting the free trial, name it. So in this case, my name is Nick, and I'll put another name, Neon. And you can put your company name. So in my case, I'll put the company name, Neon Media. Put the job title as anything that you want. So for me, it's a marketing agency that we have, which is an AI chatbot marketing agency. So I'll sign up with it. So there we go. We are at our Phantombuster dashboard. So once you're down here, so what I did was I just literally changed my email address into something new because it was not accepting the. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to user Phantom right here. You will see this option at the dashboard. So click on user Phantom, and now what you got to do is scroll a little bit down. You're going to see this email part right here. So click on this email and then scroll down below. You're gonna get this option right here, which is a phantom flow called Google Maps search to contact data. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna use this flow. So after you click on it, okay, there we go. Here now what you are gonna do is you're gonna you're gonna paste the link from your Google Maps, which I told you to copy it. In our case, we didn't copy it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna copy it, right click it, and copy the link. And once that is done, go to your Phantom, paste it in here. And that's basically it. Again, scroll down, you're gonna see this save option. You don't need to do anything here, just click on save option. So once that is done, now it depends on which language you want to go with. In my case, I'll go with English. And now here you can also input how much amounts of these results you want to scrape from your Google Map. So in my case, I'll go with 200, which is optional. And then go down here and click on save again. Here is where your work happens. So in this case, I want this Phantom to scrape email address, their Facebook page, the Instagram profiles, obviously their LinkedIn pages, and also you can go with their phone numbers. So once you click on phone numbers, now just select the country that you have gone with the Google Maps. So in my case, I went with Detroit, which is in the US. So it is already selected with the United States. So I don't need to change anything. And then I'll just click on save. And once that is done, you can also now enable any notification. If it goes with an error, you're gonna get a notification. If it comes with a success, you're again get a notification here. But again, I'm not gonna change anything. I'll just go and save. And once that is done, click on this button right here, enable the flow. And now it's gonna take somewhat like 30 to 45 minutes, depends on how many results you are scraping with Google Maps. So we are just gonna wait for a while and let the Phantombuster work to get the result. So there we go, guys. Our Phantombuster have scraped the result for us. So we have got their email address, their phone number, their website, their title, and everything that we needed. We also wanted their Facebook, their Instagram, and there we go. And we also have their LinkedIn and everything. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna download this CSV file and then import it in our Google Sheet. So in that case, just click on download CSV, and there we go. We have downloaded it. Now just click on a new tab and just go to Google Sheets. Once you're down here, now click here, log in your Google Sheet. In my case, I've already done that, so I'll just go to Sheet and I'm gonna log in with a different Google Sheet here. So this is not the right one. I have plenty of Google Sheet here with me. So there we go. And now what we're going to do is just click on this blank page right here, because we are going to import that downloaded CSV file in our Google Sheet. So in that case, now just click on file above and click on and just go to upload section and click on browse, and you're going to see that CSV file which was result 19. Click there, click open, and once that is done, click here, and now you can just choose to replace current sheet and just click on import data. So once that is done, there we go, you're going to have your list of all those potential leads that you are going to find from your Google Map. So one thing that you must be careful here is some of these email address that you're going to get is not going to be live. It's just not going to be real. So in that case, what you can do is first thing first, let me delete those things that I don't need. I already have phone number, so I'm going to expand this. And as you can see right here, some of these email addresses are wrong because Phantombuster sometimes does not get enough sources from those websites to get these information. So one thing that you can do is you can keep on deleting all these emails not authentic. So in this case right here, as you can see, these are the type of email address that you don't want. Now from here, what I usually do is I already have an extension called Amargomia, which I have downloaded, or let's say this is just an add-on of a Google. If you don't have that, then all you can do is you can just go to extension right here, and then you will see this add-on option. Just click there and then go to get add-on. So once you're here, now all you gotta do is search for a add-on or a tool called Margo. Yeah, so this right here is the one that you should search for. And after this, go here and just install it. So I've already installed it, and I also have already logged in with my Gmail account, so I don't need to do that again. So this is actually an email sender tool, so you can use this Margo Mail for free. So you can send up to like 500 email with the help of this tool. So after you open this, just go to mail merge right here. So one thing that you need to do here is you need to put an email in your draft in order to use this properly. If you don't know how to do that, all you gotta do is open your email. And in this case, I am using an email called media advertise. So once you're down here, just create a new mail and put a subject like we are giving free AI demo to clients. So you can just put that, and then you can write an email. You can personalize it, or you can also use ChatGPT. In my case, I usually go with ChatGPT here. What I'm gonna say is, I didn't write anything. What you are doing to hearing from. So there we go. We have our email ready. I know this doesn't look that good for an email, but we're just giving a test here, right? So hi, hope you're doing well. So I run an AI chatbot agency called Advertising Media. We help businesses create their own AI personalized chatbots that can provide information about your businesses to their customers, schedule appointments, and get the list info. I know it doesn't sound too much surprising, but if you just give it a try, I promise you won't be disappointed. Let me fix some of these spellings here. And also feel free to check my video on how it looks like and how you can take advantage of the AI assistant for your business. Link to the video, here it is, and looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks. So that's basically it. Now all you gotta do is you need to save this in the draft. So for that, you can just click anywhere that you want. So once that is done, you will see this folder in your draft right here. So I've already created a different one. So you can also check this one right here, a free AI demo for title. So the title is gonna be the name of the business or the name of the person. So here we go. You can also copy this if you want and just send it. So this has been working very, very well for me. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm not gonna go with the one that I created here. I created this just to show you how you can do all this. So I'm gonna exit from my Gmail, and then I'm gonna go to my Margo Mail. So that's an add-on if you don't know what that is again. So now, once I click, this email column should be set to, they are gonna get this email right here on their email address. So we are just selecting email here. Now in Gmail draft, so like I said, we have already created a new one which we are giving away. We're not gonna go with that one. So let me again go here, and I'll go with this free AI demo. So if you don't know what this title case really is, then let me show you. So there we go. This right here is the title. Let me go to the top. So whenever someone gets a subject or an email, they're gonna get this name as a title. So in this case, Adon Medical Spa will get their name when they get an email from me. So I'll also enable this one so we can see if they actually open or responded or maybe click, or if some of these emails got bounced or not. So I'll know about that. And one thing for sure, I'll also put a unsubscribe link. So if they're not interested to get an email from me, they just need to click here to unsubscribe. You can also change this if you want, but I'm not gonna change anything. And that's basically done. Let me just put me up here. And now you can send 30 for free. So you're not just send 120 emails, you need to pay, but there is a hack here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send 30 first. So click on, just go back, and then go to campaign tracking report. And just scroll down here. So there we go. It's getting sent. And there we go. Slowly by slowly, it will keep on going. You can also send it faster by using this option right here. So if you're sending it in this flow, in this manner, then you're also gonna get better deliverability. So it's written right here also. So just leave it as it is. It's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes maybe, just to send 30 emails. So you can keep on doing that again and again and again. We're gonna wait. So here we go. Our Margo mail has finished sending like 30 mails. So one of the user I've already opened. So we got like 3 bounced emails. So this is the problem with Google Maps, because sometimes you're not gonna get the right email address. So we'll just delete the ones that was bounced. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now I'm again gonna send the emails. And then you can delete this one. There we go. So it is stopped after sending like 30 emails, so we just need to do that again. But there is another thing also that I want you to do, and I don't want you to forget. I've already used this, and I've been using this Margo mail as a free option. So this right now is for the premium one, but when you are signing up for the Margo mail, you're gonna get this as a free trial. So you don't need to put any card info or anything like that. So what you can do is you can create a follow-up email. You can choose any option from this list, and you can send this follow-up email after 1 day or maybe 3 days, and also you can edit this follow-up emails also if you want. But in my case, I've already done that before, and my free trial is over. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to send email to rest of these leads. So again, change the email column to email, and again add the unsubscribe link. And this is so easy. This right here that I've shown you is absolutely free. So you can send up to like 500 emails. So there we go, remaining daily quota. So in 24 hours you can send up to 500 emails. The only thing that you need to worry here is if you have a really high bounce rate, there is like 90% chance for your emails to get restricted. So Google is gonna find that you are doing something fishy, or maybe you're trying to spam other people, so they will just block your account. So you need to be really careful with this, and you need to check each email address if it is correct or not. So in my case, for now, I already have 3 bounces. You don't need to like cross more than 15 to 20, so you really need to be careful here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm again going to click send 30 for free. So I'll keep on doing that until and unless I'm finished with all these leads right here. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you got tons of information through this video. If you do, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.